Hello, today we will learn how to use our Uber Direct integration. First, to integrate it, you can go to Settings and then click on Integrations. Here, you can scroll down to Uber Direct and click. First, you need to connect your Uber Direct account. You will need to enter your client ID, your customer ID, and your client secret and click on Add. If you want to learn where to find this information, you can click on Learn More. You will be redirected to Uber developers' help article with more indications on where to find this information in your Uber Direct account. Once you have entered your information and click on Add, you will be able to see your credentials at the bottom. Now let's learn how to send an order with Uber Direct. To do that, you can go to Orders, then All, click on an order, and once on the order detail page, click on the three-dot button at the top right corner. And then find Uber Direct and click Send with Uber Direct. Once there, you will be able to see the pickup, which is the address you have set up for your store in Settings General, and the drop-off one, which is the address that your customer input during their checkout. You can also put additional notes to the driver if you want. Then you can click on Get Quotation. You will see the delivery fee that will be charged to you for that specific delivery. If you agree, you can click on Place Delivery. Once you place a delivery, a service will automatically be created and you will be able to see it and follow up on it on your Uber Direct page. You can also show live Uber rates in your customer's checkout, so you can charge them for the fee during their order. To do this, you can go to Settings, Delivery, and create a new delivery or modify a new one. Then go to Fee, Activate it, and select by Courier Automatic. Then you can choose here the courier that you want, in this case, Uber Direct. And then click Save. If you choose this option, the delivery fee will be calculated automatically when your customers enter their address at checkout. And of course, this fee will be added to their total order amount. This way you can use Uber Direct with TakeUp.